Fashion illustration is actually the art of communicating your fashion ideas in a visual form, and it originates from drawing, from painting, and from illustration. Fashion illustration actually helps you to brainstorm your ideas on paper or in digital form. So today I'll be talking about drawing your ideas on paper, like the paper form of fashion illustration. Sharing with you how I go about it, the tips, the tricks I used, and all. It actually helped me because I have a very big problem with that as a fashion designer when I started, and it's a very big headache for me, a very huge one, because I have this idea here and to pour it down I have a problem with that. I'm sharing it with you guys so that it can be useful to you, and I want you to share with others too. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Olaluwa Miracle and I'm the creative director of Mirab Styles. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, if you're a first timer, thank you so much for dropping by to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Thank you for checking on my videos and checking up on me. I love you guys. So today I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on fashion illustration. I'm very sure this will be helpful. So guys, don't you think we need to catch some fun on this channel? I want you guys to ask me questions about me, about my life, about everything. There's no limit to the questions you can ask. I'll be answering them in my next video. So let's have some fun on this channel. Like I've been doing videos on fashion and DIY, so let's do something different. You can drop your questions in the comment section, or you go to my social media. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number and my Instagram handle on here and in the description box, so you can drop your questions there and I'll be answering them for my next video. Let's go right into today's video. First thing to do is go to your Pinterest. Then if you don't have Pinterest on your mobile phone, you can actually go to Google, then you type in free fashion templates, female or male, anyone you want. Then the reason for typing free fashion templates is because not all fashion templates are free. Some you have to pay for you to download them. You click on any images you want, then you download them, and that's all. Yeah, the first thing you need to do is to download fashion templates, any one you want, the size you want, the shape and all. So I transferred them to my system. The reason I transferred the images to my system is because to actually reduce the cost of printing, because you have to print them. So I matched 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures together on a page just to reduce the cost of printing. So I matched 2 together. I reduced the size of some images, I increased the size of some, printed some, just one on a page. I have my reasons for doing that. Try print it from your phone just to save cost. I think I printed like 15 of them. So the second step is to print them out. So the main step where we are actually going is to put it on paper. You can draw your sketch, your illustrations, your drawing on them, but I actually get a sketch pad so that I can reuse them. So you need to draw out the fashion templates. So you do that by placing the templates under the sheet, the drawing sheet that you want to use. Make sure you do this when there's ray of light so that you can see. I'm actually using natural light. Then I'll trace the image out. Guys, I am done sketching. This is the third step. Yeah, and the next step is to put down your ideas. So I'll just be doing a short gown for this, a simple short gown. First thing to do is anything you're doing should follow this shape. I want it to be a straight gown and a little above the knee. So I'll just follow a shape. Let's do a long sleeve. So I'll be giving this a long sleeve look. Clean this off. I'll clean our breast off. So another thing you need to do is to determine the neckline of the dress. If it's round shape, any shape you want, just give it a round shape. Yeah. My gown, my straight gown. So I'm cleaning this off. So I have my straight gown. Then the head of my pencil, I'll take the line around the leg. This has been very helpful. Let's give it some color. Here is the final look of the dress. I went ahead to color the hair just to give it more definition. And I so much love this gown. I hope you guys love it and would like to recreate this. So let me know if it's useful. Before I go, I'll show you guys my previous works, especially the first one I did. Oh my god, it was it was something else. I will show you guys what it looks like, but this is so nice. I love it. So here is the first one I did. Seriously, oh my god. Here is my work, the one I've done. Here is what I've done with this fashion templates. Seriously guys, it is helpful. Yeah, this is the one I did for my collection, one of my collection pieces. You can check them out on my Instagram page. Yes, so this is one I just drew like when I feel like drawing. So I've not actually clothed these ladies. If you have a more easier method to go about this, let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to drop your questions. In my next video I'll be answering those questions. So I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Stay safe. I love you. Bye.